mommies, welcome back to another webisode of IABadMom.com. Now, I've got to tell you, I had a definite bad mom moment today. I rear-ended somebody while I was texting. Okay, I hope my husband doesn't see this webisode. I mean, is that the worst thing possible? The only good thing about it is that my son wasn't in the car. I mean, I started imagining worst case scenario. Don't go there. Bottom line is, put your cell phone down, put your BlackBerry, your iPhone apps down. Don't do it while you're driving. Okay. On today's episode, so many of you have asked about my opinions about celebrity moms and celebrities in general. I guess this celebrity moms I love to hate thing has made people absolutely crazy. So I decided to pull out a few choice tabloids and give you my opinion on these people. Okay, first of all, we've already talked about Kate Gosselin, bad mom. Okay, Jennifer Aniston wants to be a mom but can't give up the single life, so she keeps choosing guys that aren't good for her. Jen, if you want to be a mom, you're going to have to suck it up and settle for a good guy. Sorry. Sandra Bullock wants to be a mom to Jesse James' kids. Okay, this thing is just tragic. I mean, this woman loves his kids, but now she's torn between staying with the guy who cheated on her and betrayed her or giving up the children that she's come to love. She is in a pinch. Okay, the Dugans, how many kids is too many? You should have stopped at 3. These people are going on 20. I don't know how she does it. I'd be scared to see the size of this woman's uterus. Okay, and finally, Elin Woods. She, in my opinion, is a good mom because she's actually considering staying with Tiger for her children. As a child of divorce, that definitely had an impact on my life. So good for you for not just hitting the road and actually thinking about your kids' best interest.